The monkey is on top of the tree. The cow is at bottom of the tree. The pigeon is in the middle of the tree. Sparrow is on top of the house. The dog is at bottom of the house. The cat is in the middle of the house. The doll is on the top. The helicopter is at the bottom. The boat is in the middle. The aeroplane is on the top. The toy dog is at the bottom. The car is in the middle. The toy truck is on the top. The orange is at the bottom. The football is in the middle. Thanks for watching. Leave a like. Subscribe to my channel. Get notified.